Hello, ladies and gentlemen, it's Mike here at Game From Scratch, and Epic Games just nailed one out of the park with their State of Unreal. There's a lot of announcements here. We've got things like new version of Unreal Engine 5.2 preview is available right now. You can go download that as we speak. There is new MetaHuman Animator. There is Unreal Engine for Fortnite, and all of that pales compared to this simple announcement that is going to change the game industry.
Later this year, we'll be merging our content offerings into a new unified creator marketplace called Fab. Built on the strong foundation of Sketchfab.com, we're going to drop the sketch and go all in on Fab. Fab will be an open marketplace serving the entire digital content creation industry. That means we're going to offer assets for all game engines, all digital content creation tools, and metaverse-inspired open worlds. So whether you're a studio making a blockbuster game or a movie, or you're a player building your first island in Fortnite, our goal is to bring you everything you need to build your world in one place. We'll have 3D models, materials, sound, plugins, animations, visual effects, and more. Fab will be the new home of Quixel MegaScans, MetaHumans, and other incredible epic content designed to push the limits of what's possible. We'll also bring you the high-quality assets and environment packs from leading art studios, AAA game developers, media companies, and even musicians who are taking fan engagement to the next level. But our primary focus is on bringing you the best stuff out there from millions of independent artists who will benefit from the lowest fees in the industry, pocketing 88% of revenue from their sales so they can build real businesses and invest in making more great assets for you to use. That's right. Now, with millions of assets, we have to make it super simple for you to find what you're looking for and get inspired along the way. We'll leverage automated tagging to consistently and accurately describe content, and we'll give you the ability to inspect 3D models before you download, making it easy to understand the game readiness of an asset so there are no surprises. Building on the success of Quixel Bridge, the Fab plugin will enable you to search, discover, drag and drop content right into your scene without leaving the game editor. We want to improve your workflows by connecting Fab to all industry-leading digital content creation tools. For example, our partnership with Adobe will make it easy for you to export and publish models from Adobe Substance Painter directly to Fab. Finally, leveraging Sketchfab's digital asset management capabilities, Fab will be the place where you go to store, manage, and share assets either privately with teammates for collaboration or publicly on the web to showcase your work. And with collaboration tools like this, we want to help small teams do big things. Now, it's no longer just major studios who are driving our industry forward. World building has become accessible to everyone. And we're seeing this today with tens of millions of new creators building awesome experiences in Fortnite, Roblox, Minecraft, and other open worlds. This is increasing the demand for ready-to-use content, and it's creating an exciting new opportunity for asset creators to reach massive new audiences. We believe an open and fair marketplace where artists and developers can come together to buy and sell assets is essential to the creation of the emerging metaverse. Now, we're going to keep you posted over the course of the next several months as this rolls out, and we're looking forward to partnering with you all to make this an industry-wide success.
I honestly think this is the biggest announcement in years. This is a universal app store, essentially. One of the biggest strengths of the Unity game engine is the strength of their app store. What Unreal Engine are proposing here is basically to take together all of the stuff that they've already bought in the last few years. You've got things like Sketchfab, you've got potentially MetaHuman, you've got the Unreal Engine asset marketplace stuff, and of course you've got all the MegaScans, and they're going to open up to other creators who can publish their own stuff on there, and they're going to do this in a DCC and game engine agnostic manner. That means if you're looking for an animated model for Godot or for Unity or for Unreal or for Blender or for Maya, you name it, you can use this universal application right now. If you've ever used the MegaScans app as it is, the Quixel app, it's great. Quixel Bridge is the fundamental technology that they're hooking all of these things together with, and I already use Sketchfab in almost like a third of the video demonstrations I do to have this all together and also to create an ecosystem for content creators to be able to sell assets on every single game engine out there with only a 12% royalty on top of that. Honestly, this is by far the biggest announcement I have heard yet. This is going to change the industry if it takes off. And honestly, I can't think of any reason why this won't be a giant success. They've got a huge base to build on. There are definitely an appetite for this if, say, you're in the Godot ecosystem and you're looking for content. There is currently no app store. But another big thing here is if you're going to buy content for an engine, wouldn't you love to be able to buy it for all engines? That's essentially what this is offering. And it's also going to hook into Fortnite. So this is going to be the system for which you can get those assets into the Unreal Editor for Fortnite experience. This is gigantic news. And again, I stopped watching the Epic announcement. It's still going on in the background being recorded. I know I have tons of news to cover coming up. We've got diverse programming language. We've got Unreal Engine 5.2. We've got MetaHuman Animator. But this, in all honesty, Fab is the biggest thing by far. And I hope you guys find this as just as staggeringly huge as I do. Let me know what you think. Comments down below, and I will talk to you all later. Goodbye.